Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix not registered on network on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and tap on connections. Now on this page, just tap on mobile networks. Now just enable VoLTE on both SIM cards if you have two SIM cards in your smartphone. Now once you've done that, just scroll down and tap on network mode. Now from here, just select LTE. And if your area supports 5G, just select 5G. After that, just tap on access point names. Now just tap on the three dots over here and tap on reset to default. Now just tap on reset. Now once you have done that, just go back and tap on network operators. Now just make sure you enable select automatically. Now if this did not fix your issue, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Reset. Now just scroll down and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings and tap on Reset Settings. Now just tap on Reset. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the Control Center. Now just tap on the power icon in your control center. Then tap on Restart. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to restart and to fix the not registered on network problem on your smartphone. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. And this is how you can fix not registered on network on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.